Hey there, fellow car nerds. Welcome back to MG Guy Vintage Vehicles. Greg here with a new kit car vehicle video showcasing some of the hottest vehicles available for sale across North America this week. You'll find links in the video description below for each of these vehicles. Alright, enough talk. Let's get on with today's kit car vehicles for sale. Okay, let's get started with this 1960 Manx style VW Buggy, listed for $8,800 US in Hanford, California. Its condition is listed as used good and from the seller's description. Title in hand, no smog required, street legal Manx style fiberglass buggy, runs and drives great, turnkey and enjoy, 1776cc motor, front disc brakes, fiberglass hardtop, $8,800 or best offer. Alright, this one is for the kit only. Here we have a 1966 Batcycle replica kit, listed for $4,995 US in Tarpon Springs, Florida. Its condition is listed as new and from the seller's description. 1966 Batcycle kit. It is of the original screen-used version. The complete kit consists of a fairing windshield, seat fin, go-kart body, go-kart windshield, front fender, 2 halves side wing. Complete kit is $4,995. Buyer is responsible for pickup and transportation of the kit. Kit pieces all come unpainted, and the sale is for the fiberglass pieces only and not the metal framework shown. Okay, this was listed in a previous Weird Wednesday video, and many viewers pointed out that is actually a body kit, so I thought I'd include it here. This is a 1987 Chevrolet El Camino, listed for $10,000 US in Utica, Michigan. It is an automatic transmission and a clean title. From the seller's description, 1987 El Camino with a fiberglass 1950 Studebaker front and sides. It is a kit custom designed for the Chevy El Camino. 1967 Camaro 327 with a 350 transmission, power steering, power brakes, no rust, trades considered. And up next we have this 1962 Austin Healey 3000 Sebring, listed for $14,000 US in Beaufort, Georgia. It's been driven 30,000 miles, has an automatic transmission, and a clean title. From the seller's description, 62 Austin Healey 3000 Sebring Roadster kit, 302 auto, new top, interior, wires, carburetor, car completed in the 80s, no trades. Alright, here we have a 2006 Lotus 7 Roadster, listed as make an offer in Wesley Chapel, Florida. It is a manual transmission and listed in good condition. From the seller's description, suspension components from a Jaguar XJS, small block Ford V8, rated at 375 horsepower, T5 transmission, independent front and rear suspension, make an offer. Hey everyone, I just want to interject for 30 seconds here. If you are enjoying my content, please consider becoming a channel member by clicking the join button below or using the link in the channel details below the video. For about the price of a cup of coffee per month, you'll not only be helping me produce these videos, but you'll have access to each and every video before they go live on YouTube, usually around 24 hours ahead of the videos going live. Alright, let's get back to the vehicles. Alright, here we have a 1996 Chevrolet Corvette Speed Racer Replica, listed for $110,000 US in Jacksonville, Florida. It is an automatic transmission, and from the seller's description, iconic Speed Racer Mach 5 replica car, mint condition, has a new motor with warranty, best offer or serious trades. It sits on a 96 Corvette. And here we have a 1957 Ford Thunderbird, listed for $12,000 US in Dundalk, Maryland. Its condition is listed as used good, and from the seller's description, 1957 Ford Thunderbird replica kit car, sits on a 1988 chassis, Ford 302 V8, C4 automatic transmission, 8¼ inch rear, power steering, power brakes, heat and aftermarket AC, removable hardtop, no soft top, runs, needs some TLC, clean title, no trades. Alright, here we have a 1980 Ford Blakeley Bearcat S2, listed for $9,850 US in Lake Havasu City, Arizona. It's been driven 13,712 miles, has a manual transmission, and listed in very good condition. From the seller's description, Blakeley Bearcat S2, Arizona title, has Mustang 2 front end with disc brakes, partial restoration in 2012. Okay, here we have another Dune Buggy, this one listed for $15,000 US in Montvale, New Jersey. Its condition is listed as used like new, and from the seller's description, 1200cc 50 horsepower VW engine, street legal, 4-speed manual transmission, drum brakes front and rear, new floor, new roll bar frame, everything runs great. bringing up the rear, we have this 1965 Shelby Cobra Superformance Mark III 427 SC, listed for $79,500 US in Miami, Florida. It's been driven 8,000 miles, has an automatic transmission, and a clean title. From the seller's description, 1965 Superformance Mark III, titled Factory Built in 2006, only factory built replica licensed by Carroll Shelby, Ford Motorsports C460 Big Block, 550 horsepower, Tremec TKO 600 5-speed, garage kept and mint, will consider trades for 70 to 73 Trans Am. Okay, so that's it for today's vehicles. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are enjoying my content, please consider becoming a channel member by clicking the join button below or using the link in the channel details below the video. For about the price of a cup of coffee per month, you'll not only be helping me produce these videos, but you'll have access to each and every video before they go live on YouTube, usually around 24 hours ahead of the videos going live. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.